Firstly, this is the simple representation of monohybrid cross of character seed color, in which the dominant character is white color, which we are representing with white coin, and the recessive character is black color, which we are representing with black coin. Genotype, as we all know that the genotype is the genetic representation of trait. So here the genotype will be genotype for dominant character will be capital W and capital W, which we are representing with two white coins, and the genotype for recessive two black coins. After this, we will take out the gametes from both the characters. The gamete from the first dominant genotype will be capital W, dominant character. Here in the seed color, here in the seed recessive character, for which the two genotype will be capital W, small w, and capital W, small w. So firstly the gametes capital W will form capital W and capital W. Then second capital W, small w gametes will form the genotype capital W, small w. Then the gametes small w and capital W will form the genotype capital W, small w. Then the gametes small w and small w will form the genotype small w, small w. As we can see here, the three genotypes are of the dominant character, and finally we have got the one recessive character here. So phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio is the frequency of ratio of phenotype, and phenotype is.
So there are three dominant seed color that represent 3 and one recessive seed color that represents 1, and the genotypic.
So which are the three dominant colors according to your presentation?
These are the three dominant characters.
Yes.
And the one left is recessive.
So okay. And genotypic ratio?
Genotypic ratio.
Genotypic ratio is the ratio of genotype, and genotype is known as the genetic representation of the trait. So here we got one genotype as capital T, capital W, which is 1 in number, and there are 2 in number. There are 2 capital T, capital W, and small w. So they are 2 in number, and finally the recessive character as small w, small w. So the genotypic ratio will be 1:2:1.
Yes. So one is homozygous, the
and
2 are the heterozygous, and one is again
homozygous.
So 2 are the pure lines and 2 is the hybrid. Okay, very